In a few months, I'll be 30. And at first, I wanted to be mad. I wanted to be upset because my life doesn't look like what I feel like it should. And I don't quite measure up to the world's standards of a 30-year-old. But when I take a serious look over my life, I wasn't supposed to make it to 30. There was a time when I had no desire to even see 20. But I had an encounter with a man named Jesus. And he showed me what feeling worthy felt like, what real love felt like, what tough love felt like, what unconditional love felt like. He showed me that grace and mercy was just as much for me as it was for everyone else. That I wasn't too far gone to be saved, and he was waiting with open arms for my precious recognition of how great he is. So 30, here I come. Me and my cross, me and my Savior, me and grace and mercy. So my prayer is, God, continue to mend every broken and wayward heart and fill every crack and crevice with love that only comes from you. And may we always know all things work together for the good of them that love the Lord.